guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys, and you know what that means. For today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. Yes, you know our practice here. I will be putting everything that you need to know, from prices, product codes, product features, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phone to take a screenshot for your personal reference, and for pre-orders, kindly check with your CAs or the website. So I'm inviting you all to please watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. And kindly like and share this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, I'm happy to share the complete look of the Monogram Origins collection. So that will be launching January 2nd. First, we have the Speedy trunk size 20. Price of this one is 3,800 USD. We have SKU here. So very beautiful Speedy trunk 20. I love, of course, the new monogram canvas with trunk details. Comes with detachable chain strap, bag strap, and of course detachable shoulder strap. Next guys, we have the No Way trunk. So very beautiful design of the No Way, price at 3,900 USD. So that is the interior. So this is a little bit more flatter compared to the regular Neo No Way. So as you can see, it comes with the strap, and of course it would come with leather bag tag, and it comes with trunk details at the bottom part of the No Way trunk. Then of course, you know, my personal favorite, Alma trunk size BB. Price of this one is 3,800 USD. The interior is made of fabric, as we can see here, with the stripe detailing. Then of course, this is the front of the bag. Comes with the trunk details, detachable straps, detachable chain strap, and detachable leather bag tag as well. Next, we have the classic side trunk So this one, they have just updated the design, to be honest. Of course, guys, with the monogram origins, as you can see, the monogram design is a little bit different versus the classic monogram canvas. Then, of course, this design comes with detachable bag tag and two straps, top handle, and crossbody leather strap. So what do you think of the side trunk size So next on the collection, so we have the Alma Soft. So this one is priced at 5,550 USD. So the interior is like the striped fabric with red and white colorway, as you can see. And since this is a softer version of the Alma we could see that it is a slouchier version. And of course, it comes with charms, key clochette, and leather bag tag with detachable leather strap as well. Then going back with the Monogram Origins collection, so we have the Keepall trunk size 45. So I love, of course, the detail of this one. It comes with the trunk details at the bottom corner of the Keepall. Then of course, it comes with detachable and adjustable leather strap. It comes, of course, with padlock and key set as well. Beautiful design for Keepall size 45. Next guys, so as you can see, we have the key clay or the pochette class, price at 470 USD. So this is like a more close-up look of the Louis Vuitton Monogram Origins collections. As you can see, this is the interior. It comes with gold hardware. So guys, would you purchase this collection? This is part of the 150th anniversary of Louis Vuitton. Then next, we have the pochette accessories Envy. This one is very beautiful, and the price is quite affordable at 1,790 USD. We have the SKU here, so same colorway of the interior, fabric interior. So of course, this one, it comes with detachable leather strap and detachable leather bag tag as well. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material style, color, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so now let us discuss this like beige colorway of the Monogram Origins collection. First, we have Alma BB, priced at 2,540 USD. So classic Alma BB design, it's just that they have used this beige colorway, Monogram Origins coated canvas. It comes of course with the same feature, but it comes with added leather bag tag. Next on the collection, we have the Speedy 20 Speedy 20 bandolier. Gorgeous design, of course. I would also prefer this one because this is a lot bigger compared maybe to the NANO Speedy. So price of this one is 2,770 USD. Comes with lock and key set, and it comes with detachable vachetta strap as we could see here. And of course, the vachetta strap or the chunks or trims are pre-treated as we could see. Then we have the cosmetic pochette cosmetic size PM, price is 730 USD. So guys, I have mentioned before that you could actually convert this one into a shoulder bag just like what LV is currently selling. So just check out online any YouTube videos, then definitely you could save tons when you are going to convert this one and add bag strap. Then we have the pochette class PM, price at 470 USD. Love the beige colorway of the Monogram Origins collection. So guys, would you comment down below if you love this colorway as well? So for me, this is a big yes. As you can see, the pochette class comes with gold hardware as well. Then we have the famous Neverfull, and this one is the size MM. So price of this one is 2,940 USD. We have SKU here of M27521. So of course guys, it would come with the classic and smaller monogram canvas pochette, which I so love. Then it comes with leather bag tag as well. Next on the collection, so we have the zippy wallet NM. So this one priced at 955 USD. So this is a full-size wallet. Definitely this full-size wallet would fit inside the Neverfull MM and maybe even the Alma BB. So as you can see, it's a full zip wallet with gold hardware, and of course it comes with cowhide leather interior. So next on the collection, so the Monogram Origins collection, we have the very beautiful all-in size BB. Price of this one is 2,760 USD. We have SKU here. So this is a close-up look of the Monogram Origins coated canvas. Then it comes of course with detachable leather bag tag as well. And as you can see, the coated the leather trims is a pre-treated vachetta, just like with this Kipo 45 bandolier. Price only at 3,450 USD. So as you can see, it comes with the classic Kipo design. So it comes also with detachable and adjustable leather strap. It would come with detachable bag tag as well. So guys, I just couldn't read the gold stamping at the bag tag as you can see. So maybe it says Louis Vuitton Monogram Origins. Then another colorway, we have like the sky blue colorway, not the official name. So price of this bag is named Carry All size PM. So as you can see, this is the interior, and just like with the Neverfull, it comes with fully detachable coated canvas. Super love this one. So this is a shoulder bag version, and of course it comes with vachetta leather trims. Next on the collection, so of course my personal favorite, we have the Alma BB, price only at 2,540 USD. So which do you prefer guys? Would you prefer number one would be the classic colorway of the Monogram Origins collection in brown, or would you prefer the beige one, or would you prefer this lighter or sky blue colorway? Super gorgeous, but either way, I love all the Alma BBs. Just like with the all-in BB, price of this one is 2,760. So it is the same bag just like what we have discussed earlier, but this time it comes in the sky blue or lighter blue colorway. So it comes of course with detachable mini pochette as you can see, and this is the side wherein it comes with the leather bag tag, and of course it comes with the leather trims which is pre-treated already. Then we have the side trunk size MM. Price of this one is 4,500 USD. We have the SKU here of M27891. So this is the close-up. It comes with S-lock closure. Of course, it would come with like the shiny gold tone hardware, 2 straps, so top handle and leather strap, and it come with detachable bag tag as well. Then we have the pochette clasp. So this one, price is still the same, so 470. So currently on this collection, so right now we have 3. So we have the classic monogram brown colorway, then we have the beige, and then we have the sky blue. So we have everything, or LV it's creating all the colorway for everyone to purchase the collection. So next one, we have the pochette heels. So this is another new design from LB. So this one, I love that they have brought back for the Monogram Origins collection. So guys, just take note, this is a smaller bag, so it could be perfect for evening or for parties. So price of this one is 2,280, and definitely giving me the 90s vibe for the pochette heels. Next on the collection, so we have the very beautiful and popular NANO Speedy, so 2,250 USD. So guys, I would just like to ask everyone here, which do you prefer? Would it be the NANO Speedy or the Speedy 20? Kindly comment down below. So this one, as you can see, comes with detachable leather strap, and it comes with leather bag tag as well. So next on the collection, so we have the passport cover. Price is 485 USD. So the outer part comes in the Monogram Origins coated canvas, and the interior is made of cowhide leather interiors. As you can see, comes with card slots. Very beautiful and perfect for your travel. Maybe even you could use it as a wallet. What do you think, guys? Kindly comment down below. Next, guys, so we have in the mint green colorway, not the official name. So we have the Speedy 20 bandolier. So price is 2,770 USD. We have SKU here, M27530. So very beautiful combination. I love, of course, the green stands out against the pre-treated vachetta leather. Next on the collection, so we have the pochette accessories NM, so 1,790 USD. So just like the earlier version, so which do you prefer? As you can see, how striking the mint green colorway among the, of course, pre-treated leather trims. This is the interior. So what do you think of the Monogram Origins collection? Enjoy! There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a shopping bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Romerfi2, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!